Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, here to show you the roof rack fit for the 2021 and beyond Kia K5 sedan. This is the Thule WingBar Evo clamp base roof rack system. This system comprises three components. It starts with the WingBar Evo load bars. Also then you would add to that the foot pack. This is the Evo clamp foot pack. And then Thule has a vehicle specific fitting kit. So I'll go over some of the key features of this rack design, starting with the load bar. This is the WingBar Evo load bar. It's a aerodynamic load bar to reduce wind noise and wind drag. It has a very sophisticated box beam construction, so it's very strong and stiff. The design also enables attachment of certain accessories into the top track of this bar without having to cut the rubber, and that is accessible by using the swing away end cap. So very strong and sophisticated and very aerodynamic load bar. Now, in addition to that, you have the foot pack. The foot pack is designed as the interface between the fit kit and the load bar. And then next you have the vehicle specific fitting kit. And the fitting kit includes the contoured rubber base pads, as you see here. They are stamped with a number to indicate the exact position where they'll be placed on the roof. And then also the rubberized metal door frame bracket. So all the contact points to the vehicle are designed to be very protected to the vehicle. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate how the interaction between the fit kit, how it simply engages into the foot, as you see, and then the rubber base pad, it just presses to the bottom edge of the foot. So that's the beginning step of the assembly. And then it's just a matter of installing it onto the end of the bar. So I'll go ahead and remove this end cap. Now, part of the instruction sheets that you see here will include exact measurements, a sliding scale number that'll correspond to where you would slide the scale on the bar to fit the vehicle. So you would set that in its correct spot, and then you have the two little silver indentions there that I would squeeze and bring into that measurement point. And then next you have a rubber insert, and that insert will further enhance the aerodynamics to make sure that there's no open gaps in the bar that could lead to wind noise. And then next you have your end cap, which will just press back into place. Okay, and then as you get to the step where you would actually tighten it on, you have an integrated ratcheting tool here. So as you tighten, it has a torque indicator rather than a ratchet. It actually clicks to indicate it's been fully tightened. And then lastly, you would install the cover. And now that cover, you have two options. Included with the system is a plastic plug that would go into this housing here. However, you also have the added security option of a cylinder. This lock cylinder presses into the same place where the plug would be. And with that in place, you have a thorough theft deterrent. So I'll go ahead and install that. So that the method there is you just use your change key, which is a key that has no cuts in it. And then the key that you have here would be used to actually lock it in place, giving you a good theft deterrent. Okay, so that's a quick look at the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2021 and beyond Kia K5. I'm Paul with rackattack.com. Please see the links in our video description for complete details. Also direct links to this exact configuration to make it very easy to purchase. And thanks for watching.